Hello everyone, welcome to Radikal Kitchen. So today I'm going to make a very quick veggie tofu stir fry. You know, when we are working during the week, it's come back home late, we are tired, but you want to have something tasty and something full of flavors. And for me, stir fries is something that I do quite often during the week. Now what I'm doing today is a very quick veggie and a tofu stir fry. This is what I had in my fridge today. We've got some shredded cabbage. We've got some red peppers, onions, ginger and garlic. I tend to use a lot of fresh ginger and garlic in my stir fries because it gives that little kick. I've got red chilies. I love my picante. Some spring onions, some tofu. You can use mosh too. You can use green beans. You can use mushrooms, whatever you have in the fridge or you like. So I'm just going to put it all together, stir fry on high heat, put some soya sauce, put some vinegar and top it with some sesame seeds, which will give it a bit of a crunch. So I've got some black and toasted white sesame seeds for that little crunch at the end of it. So here we go. So here is my stir fry, which I've made with veggies and tofu, lots of ginger and garlic. It looks very crunchy. I can't wait to taste it. The sesame seeds have given it that added crunch. I'm really hungry. So I'm going to eat this now. But please don't forget to like it, subscribe and share. And please tell everybody about this and do let me know how you like it. See you next time. Bye.